Arteco is a decorative paint with a unique antique effect which recalls the decorations of the Italian rural houses of the Renaissance time. Arteco is made of natural products and special resins. It is not toxic. Its safety, resistance and washability are guaranteed by advanced production technologies. Arteco can be used for a wide range of surfaces including concrete, plasterboard, wood, iron, PVC, glass, light alloys, surfaces coated with alkyd or polyurethane paints, etc. White Arteco is available in 1 or 4 litre bins. Follow the recommended use instructions to optimize Arteco results. Prepare the room. The wall must be dry and smooth. Accurately plaster and sandpaper the surface to be treated, if necessary. We recommend using suitable brushes, like the ones included in Kit 39, to apply both Primart 300 and Arteco on walls and furniture, thus optimizing the application results. Apply 1 coat of non-diluted Primart 300 as a fixative. Thanks to the special layer, Arteco guarantees a stable antique effect over time. Apply Arteco when the base layer is dry after approximately 4 to 6 hours, depending on the room temperature. Add the prepared additival colouring paste to obtain the sample colours. Many darker or lighter colour shades can be obtained by adding quantities smaller or larger than the recommended ones. Mix well with a long wooden or metal putty knife. Apply 2 coats using a brush included in Kit 39. The following application technique is recommended. Use a small quantity of product. The tips of the brush should be dipped in the paint by no more than 1 millimeter. Apply the paint by making a rotary movement, not a linear one, and exercising an uneven pressure. These circular movements will give the wall a natural antique effect when the work is over. Do not make linear movements with the brush. Let the first coat dry for approximately 2 to 3 hours and apply the second coat using the previously shown technique. For light colours, exert more pressure with the brush to enhance the natural aged effect. Use the smallest brush included in Kit 39 to finish the corners and access areas that are difficult. Considering this special application technique, the work should be completely carried out by the same person, thus preventing any effect or colour unevenness. Final result after the application of the second coat of Arteco. We'll now show you how to apply decorative stencils on a reusable semi-rigid support. The stencil has been modified by covering some parts of it, thus obtaining different decorations depending on the user's creativity. Arteco is applied using a brush. Its colour is darker than the room colour. Mark the stencil position on the wall using a pencil. These marks can be erased when the work is done. How to obtain a shade effect. Place the stencil 5 mm above the previous position and colour it. In this case, we used a very light Arteco. Final result after applying the stencils by the ceiling. By using Arteco and the previously shown technique, we have obtained a base with a decorative pattern on it. Always apply Arteco by making rotary movements. The brushes included in Kit 39 can be used to apply Arteco according to specific needs. Final result after making the base. Shade effect technique. Reference marks to place the stencil. Final result. The room is ready. Arteco takes 3 to 4 hours to dry and approximately 24 hours to execute. When perfectly dry, this coat has transpiring and shockproof features and resists washing and normal abrasions. Arteco can also be applied on doors, chairs, frames, tables, and furniture in general. These images show the complete application technique on a door and a piece of furniture. Sandpaper and remove any grease residues. Plaster and use fine sandpaper to improve the setting. Finally, apply a coat of Primark 300. When the base coat is dry, apply 2 coats of Arteco. Use a small quantity of product and make rotary movements. These decorations and patterns were made with reusable stencils. Shade effect technique. When Arteco is applied on furniture, we recommend applying the acrylic protective agent finish V12, thus giving the surface transpiration and self-cleaning features. The finish V12 protective agent can also be applied on internal surfaces. Apply finish V15 to protect the external surfaces from rain and ultraviolet rays. Clean the tools using soap and water. All the products used during the application cycle are ready for use.